sa warning na instead of emergency, ang nakalagay doon ay yung candidacy ng ni Richard Ko for governor, ni Congresswoman Araco for city mayor, nung Vice Fernando Talisic for vice governor, at saka yung Olga Ko, yung mother, for congresswoman ng 2nd District. Yun ang nag-appear doon sa warning ng nag-ring doon sa ating cellphone. Instead na warning sa mga calamity o whatever it is, ito ang lumabas ang kanilang pangalan, their candidacy for the different positions.
Sir, for the record, name na lang. Parang name po.
Ako po si Attorney Pert Gadja, candidate for Vice Governor ng Masbate under the Liberal Party. Ang governor ko ay si Mayor Atis Tuason, candidate for governor. Nag-file kami dahil unang-una, very clear naman that there is violation of the provisions of the Omnibus Election Law. Yung siyempre ang inaasahan namin, ina-expect namin na possibly magkaroon ng disqualifications. Disqualification dahil ito ay seryosong bagay na ginamit nila. They took advantage of the use of their state resources for their campaign.
Sir, nagpalabas na comment ng Locus order sa regarding
Pinadala na sila ng show cause order. Kaya naman kami, pinormalize namin yung aming petition.